get in and out, here's the latch. Just lift on the latch and open the gate. As far as the controls, emergency stop, pull the emergency stop out. There's a dead man lever switch right on the back of the handle. Normally nothing happens if these are bumped. You have to wrap your hand around it, pull it up, and then the machine will go up. Directionally mated, if you're going up and to run into something, the natural tendency is to go down. You also have the 110 duplex outlet. We have the air connection, the Foster connector there. Then we have a fall arrest anchorage point. We have the operator's manual. Okay, the ground controls consist of emergency stop and a key switch for off-on. In order to operate, you need to pull out the emergency stop, switch to on. So the only function you really have from the ground is emergency lowering. That function is over here. There's a ball valve, decal identifying the operation, but basically grabbing the ball valve and opening it up gradually will lower the machine. Okay, the main hydraulic system, electrical hydraulic system, consists of power coming into the 2 horsepower, 110 volt, single phase electric motor that drives a pump, an internal pump built into the hydraulic reservoir, 3-gallon hydraulic reservoir coming out of the reservoir, coming out of the pump. Goes through the main solenoid valve for that's the raised solenoid valve coming through here and coming in via some hydraulic hoses, 3,000 psi rated pressure. The relief valve is set at 1,500 psi. The hoses have a 12,000 burst pressure rating, so we have an 8-to-1 factor of safety on the hoses. Basically, on the up motion comes through here, through this hose, through this ball valve that's open, and then from this point forward it's hardline into the cylinder for raise. Then for lower, this is the solenoid valve that is lower. So oil would come out, this would open up, and gravity would force the oil out. Here is an adjustable flow control that controls the lowering speed under power. If there's a power outage, we need to bring the person down. We can turn this valve. Turning this valve brings the person down. And that's the speed that would also signify if for some reason one of these hoses would blow, this hose would blow, it would really come down that same speed because there's a an orifice built right in here, and that controls the speed of the oil coming out. This would be the return line filter going back to the hydraulic reservoir. There's a limit switch on the bottom when this comes all the way down to shut that off. This is the bump system. Basically, there's a little wobble arm on the end of this limit switch. When this is hit, it immediately shuts off. That's about it.